to another video by Maria Hargis. So today I'm covering tutorial videos on Media Bang Paint Pro, and this is going to be a first of a series of videos that I'm going to be doing it. And you're going to be able to follow along one of my art pieces that I'm working, and I'm going to be doing the same art piece throughout these series of videos. So it will be an awesome time to see the progress as I work on this art, and you will get a little bit more insight to how I create my art on digital art. And this will also, in this video alone, you will learn about blueprints layers, black trace layers. Also, you will learn about erase tools, and you will learn about the zoom windows, and there are a few shortcuts I will go ahead and show you in this video as well. And I hope you enjoy. Now, if I turn on the other layers, you'll see what I've been working on, and you'll see that it's a mess. And if I turn off the white areas, then you'll see what it looks like. But I first start with, the first layer I start with is usually a blue. Basically getting the basic shapes. There's a lot of scribble and all. If I'm not happy looking at one angle, I will try another until I feel like something's right. Especially for like this one, I first started like from looking on the side, but then I tilted the head a little bit. I drew where I can see where those lines were so I can get an idea for the 3D image of it. To clean it up, I put on another layer. So this layer 2 is this layer right here. And I started kind of drawing with a different color ink, usually black. I like to use black to go over on the second layer to try to get an idea of what I want. I'm still playing around with a little bit, but at least this way I kind of have an idea where I want everything to go. I got more of a construct. So then if I turn on the third layer, then you'll see that it gets darkened. I do maybe a different type of brush. So for this, I did like a sharp pen, like with the edges, where it has the sharp edges on them. And for some, and then I might have like darkened some areas to give it depth so I can tell, where the teeth are and where the tongue is to this drawing. Now I'll do some edit and clean it up. So the one thing I'll start doing, let's go here, layer 2, get the eraser, and I want to zoom in to where the tongue is right here and clean up some of this. So then I can select side brush that I wanted to do for the eraser, and then I can clean up some of the marks. So you see I have other lines on the other layer, so those are not going to get touched. So I can just do that and clean that up a bit. There's a trick if you use Control 0 that'll zoom you all the way back out so you can see the bigger picture on it and you can see where you're at. Anytime you want to undo something, you can do Control Z. That's a shortcut, and that will undo. You have also the undo at the top score over here, at the top part where here it says undo, or you can go back and you can redo. To zoom in, you have it over in the narrator window over here, this big window with the red rectangle where you have the zoom in button. You also have where actual pixel, so you can go to the actual pixel side. So it just took you to that. Or if you want to go back to center, you can put it on the fit screen, that box one there. Or if you want to zoom out or if you want to rotate left or rotate right, you can do that. If you have some stuff like you want to add special extra like detail stuff, you can pretty much add another layer for that. You can get the basic stunts of the characters you want, and then you can add fun details to it with another layer. Adjust some of the layers later on so you can add parts in or take things away. Play around with it until you feel comfortable with it. With the scary bunny, I'm gonna be adding some droplets of blood, some foaming at the mouth. Add that stuff on another layer later on. I already did a little cleaning and it's already coming along. It's already looking a little bit better at the mouth. It's looking more organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really did enjoy this video and all. Now, if you do like more videos like this, just make sure you hit subscribe and also put the bell on the notification turned on so that way you can get notifications when I have the new video. In fact, I am making the next video right after this, so I'm going to be scheduling some videos coming in. So make sure that you go ahead and do that so you can get the next part 2 that will be coming after this video, and that will be coming in sometime this week. So also hit the like button if you like this video and you like the content. Also, you can leave comments and you can tell me in the comments what you thought about the videos. Your feedback actually do help me get an understanding of what you would like for me to put in other future videos. So it's actually really helpful for me for making new content and all. And I always love to hear what you have to say on what you thought about my video and all. So make sure you do those things. The next video, part 2, will be coming out soon. If you did like this video, I also have other videos similar to this. I have one about contests, and what I'm going to do is you'll see at the end of the video a link to that one about Medi Bang Paint Pro contests that you can submit your art. And it's okay if you don't feel like I am such an expert at this. Even beginners can submit contests, and it's a good way for good practice if you like to do that. So until next time, see you later. Bye.